watching my channel again, and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to use bath bomb. And there's my bath activity bucket you see right over there. And so here's my little sister. And now we're going to start. So which color do you think I'm going to use first? But before that, we are going to play with some toys. Look at this baby. It's going to walk out. Gotta go out. Don't go out. And this is Yo-Yo and Pom-Pom. Cody right over here. JJ is going all the way down. And this is a dog. This is a mermaid. If you know a Barbie cartoon, you should know this is Brooklyn. And here is Chloe. Chloe is swimming in a bath. What did that happen? Let's see, this is a green toy. And inside this is gonna be Peppa. Peppa is swimming in the water. And now, which color do you think I'm gonna use? Do you think I'm gonna use blue or purple? I have two purples. Or do you think I'm going to use this blue or these purple? I mean those red. I'm going to take this bath bomb. Let's take it out. And it's so hard. It spills all over this place. I think I will do it this. That was easy. Yay. Oh, what are you happy on? And look at this. It's fizzing on over the place. And which color do you think?
Ramya, look what's this working.
Yeah, look at guys. Those are fizzing. The bubbles are getting up. Yeah. Look at this blue. I think this is going to do the same thing. I'm going to rub it on this purple. And now, let's see what happens. Ooh, the water is getting purple. Let's move it around. And now the purple. Look, so much purple. Yay, guys. And thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share, and like.